This is Matthew from the Windows Club. If you wish to change or set device usage in your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, go to the Personalization tab on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to the absolute bottom and click on Device Usage. Now, you can use the switches to turn the device usage for certain traits on or off. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.